Do you want to sound natural in English, even when you say hello?
Because there's a big difference between textbook English and real English.
Welcome back to Leo and Anna English. Today, we'll show you how.
Before we start, quick question for you.
Sure, go ahead.
How do you say hello to a friend?
I just say, hey, or maybe, hi, how's it going?
Nice. That sounds real. Now, how do textbooks teach it?
Oh, no. Good morning. How do you do?
Exactly. Nobody says that anymore.
Well, maybe in 1920.
Right. So today, real greetings only.
I like that. Real greetings only.
Let's start with the basics.
Okay, hi and hey. What's the difference between them?
Good question. They're both casual. Hi is a little more neutral. Hey feels warmer, more friendly.
Like when you see a good friend?
Exactly. Hey, I missed you.
And hello, when do we use that?
Hello is more formal. On the phone, for example. Or when you meet someone new.
Like at a job interview?
Yes, or talking to your boss.
Or meeting your friend's parents?
Right. A little more polite.
Not too cold, not too friendly.
Exactly. It's in the middle.
Got it. So hey and hi for friends, hello for new people or formal moments.
That's it. Simple rule.
Okay. Now, how are you? I hear this phrase everywhere.
Me too. But here's the thing. Most people don't really answer it.
What do you mean?
You say, how are you? And they say, good, thanks. You?
Oh, it's more like a greeting, not a real question.
Exactly. It's just part of saying hello. You say it, they answer short, done.
I tried to really answer once.
What happened?
I said, well, actually, I'm a little tired. My cat kept me up all night and…
Anna!
The person looked so confused. They just wanted, good, thanks.
Right. So, how are you means hello. Keep your answer short. Good, thanks. Or, fine, you.
Short and simple. Okay.
Actually, I had a moment like that too. My first week at a new office, my manager said, how are you? And I said, I'm great. Slept well, had a big breakfast, feeling ready.
What did she say?
She nodded and walked away very fast.
She was not ready for all that.
No, she really was not.
So, short answer, always.
Always. And here's another similar one. How's it going?
Oh, I say that a lot.
Same idea, very casual. Answer, pretty good, or not bad.
Not bad. I like that one. It means okay, right? Not great, not terrible, just fine.
Exactly. It's relaxed and friendly, very natural in everyday conversation.
What about what's up?
Ah, great one. Very casual. Only between friends.
How do you answer it?
You say, not much, or hey, what's up? You can basically repeat it back.
So the answer is almost the same question.
Yes, in English, that's totally normal.
What's up? Not much. What's up?
Exactly like that.
But wait, what's up is the phrase, right? You mean it as a greeting, not a real question.
Yes, what's up is a greeting phrase. It means, how are you? Very casual. Don't answer, the sky is up.
That's the number one mistake.
Just, not much, and you're good.
Okay, one more before we talk about goodbyes. What about how have you been?
Oh, that one sounds a little different. It is. You use this one when you haven't seen someone in a long time.
Like an old friend you haven't seen in months?
Yes. Hey, how have you been?
And they say, I've been good, thanks.
Or, I've been really busy lately.
It asks about the past weeks, not just today.
Right. It's warmer, more personal.
So 3 levels. Hey, hi, everyday, casual. How are you? Polite, quick hello. How have you been? For old friends.
That's a perfect way to remember it.
If this is already helpful, Please like and follow Leo and Anna English.
It really helps us keep making more of these for you. Okay, we've covered greetings. Now let's talk about goodbyes.
Oh, this is where it gets fun.
Right? Most people think just say goodbye.
But nobody really says that.
Almost never. It's too stiff, too formal.
So what do people actually say?
The most common one is just bye. Simple and clear. Everyone uses it every day.
And bye-bye?
A little softer, a little more friendly. Parents say it to kids, but adults use it too in casual moments.
It does sound warm and easy.
Yes, and then there's see you. Very natural, very common.
See you later. See you tomorrow.
Or just see ya, even more casual.
Yeah, is that short for you?
Yes, people say you fast in speaking. It becomes ya, so see ya equals see you.
And if you don't know when you'll meet again,
See you around.
what does see you around mean exactly?
It means maybe we'll meet again sometime. No specific plan, just around.
Like when you leave a party, you liked the person, but you're not sure when you'll see them again.
Exactly. It's friendly but open.
No promise, just a warm goodbye.
Right.
What about take care?
Oh, I love take care.
Me too. It sounds so warm.
It means I hope you're okay. Stay safe. I care about you.
It works with friends and family.
And even coworkers. Very useful phrase.
What about have a good one?
Great one. It means have a good day or evening or weekend.
The one is flexible?
Yes, it fits any time of day. Have a good one. Always works.
Easy. I'll use that.
Okay, Anna, I have to tell you something. I once said goodbye completely wrong.
Oh no, what happened?
Last year, I met a new coworker, May. She was leaving the office one evening, and I said, very seriously, "Farewell, May. Safe travels."
Farewell? Leo, that's so formal.
I know. She stopped and looked at me. She said, "Are you okay?" I wanted to disappear right there.
Farewell means goodbye forever, right?
Yes, like you're leaving on a ship, or you'll never see that person again. Very dramatic, very old English.
So, bye, see you, take care, all perfect for everyday life. Farewell only for Shakespeare.
Exactly. Don't be like past me.
Okay, now time phrases. You said you can add them to a goodbye.
Yes, it makes goodbyes more specific and more natural.
Like what?
See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. See you next week.
Oh, so just add the time at the end.
Exactly. Easy and friendly. It's like you're already planning the next time.
And if you don't know the time?
See you soon or talk soon.
Talk soon is great for messages too.
Yes, texts, emails, all of them.
Here's one more situation, Leo.
Hmm?
How do you end a phone call in English?
Great question. Okay, I'll let you go is very common.
I'll let you go. What does that mean?
It means, I know you're busy. I'll stop talking now. You're free to go.
Oh, so it's polite. You're giving the other person an exit.
Exactly. A kind way to end the call.
Wait, give someone an exit? That's a useful phrase.
It is. Give someone an exit. It means you help them leave the conversation, politely, without making it awkward.
Like opening a door for them in words.
Yes. Try using that today, everyone.
Okay, quick summary before we finish.
For greetings, hey, hi, hello, how are you doing? Answer short. What's up? Very casual, friends only.
How have you been? For old friends. For goodbyes, bye, see you later, see you around, take care, have a good one.
On the phone? Okay, I'll let you go.
And here's the thing I always forget. You don't need to say a lot.
Exactly. Short is better. Real English is short English.
That's a good way to say it.
Formal English is long sentences. Real English is short, easy phrases.
Good morning, how do you do? Formal.
Hey, what's up? Real.
Short words, real feelings.
That's the secret.
If it sounds too stiff when you say it, it's probably a textbook phrase.
Trust your ear. Use the short version.
You don't need perfect grammar to sound natural in English.
You just need the right phrases. And now you have them. If you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe to Leo and Anna English for more.
And leave a comment below. What's your favorite way to say hello?
We'd love to know.
See you all in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.